Hi there. In this video I'm going to quickly create a Google form, and I'll set it up so that it adds data to Google Sheets when it's filled. I'll then add that Google form to my WordPress. This will be the beginning of a make workflow as well. So I'm going to, right now I'm in Gmail. I'm going to open up Forms. We have forms down here. I'm going to create a brand new form, blank form there. I'm going to make this a t-shirt order form, so it'll actually be live on my site. So if somebody wants to actually buy a t-shirt, they can. I'll say t-shirts are $20 each. And I'll quickly add design. I've got 3 designs. Option 1 will be dragon, 2 will be brains, 3 will be logo. I'll add a new. These are radio buttons, by the way, multiple choice radio buttons. I can only choose one of these, or the end user can only choose one. I'll say size, and it'll be medium, large, and extra large. And I'll make this one a drop-down list. And then I'll add another field for name. Picks up short answer automatically. That's AI. Address, mailing address I'll specify. Notice it changes to short answer. And email changes to short answer as well. You can make these required if you like. I'm not going to go that extra step. And I'll go ahead and click on the text here. It picks up the title or the heading 1 from the form. And I can go ahead and publish that, and I'll go ahead and grab the HTML as well, embed HTML, which again WordPress likes. Now I'm going to go one step further with this form, and under settings here, under responses, I'll choose link to sheets. I don't have any sheets, so it creates a brand new sheet for me. And that sheet should be fine. Opens it up. Notice it added the timestamp, which wasn't part of my form, so it actually grabs the time from the form submission, adds it here. I'm going to add another field here called shipped, so I can track whether or not my orders have been shipped. So when someone gets an order in this sheet, once they actually box it up and put it in the email, they'll just enter yes. Otherwise, they'll just leave it blank. So I'm done with my sheet. I've already copied the text for my form, copied the embed HTML code, that is, and I'm going to just switch over to my WordPress. So I'm already logged into WordPress as the administrator. So under pages here, I'll add a new page. And I'll call this t-shirt order form. And I'll add a block. I use the custom HTML quite a bit, so it pops up in this list, and then I can just go ahead and paste. Publish. Publish. Here's my link. This is where the actual order form resides. I choose that. And I'll just switch over to another browser so I can test it as if I'm an actual customer filling out this form for the first time. So there's the form. I'll choose the dragon, size medium. So again, that's a radio button. You can only choose one option. That's what those round selections do. That's the drop down. And I'll say my name, Joe Blow. and Joe Blow. So I've created an email account for Joe Blow on my server so I can see what Joe Blow receives. Sorry, mailing address. And an email. Again, I've set up an email address with joeblow@motorama.net so we can see what he receives. And I'll go ahead and submit. So when I switch back to the author of this thing, using 3 different browsers here, you see there's the results of the form submission. It's 2:28 p.m. It says 2:28 right here, so we get that immediately. So again, we can track any orders from a form that they fill out. There's a little bit of AI functionality connecting that form to the sheets, as well as creating the form fields. We're going to go one step further. In the next video, I'll connect the spreadsheet with my email client, basically my email server, so that we can send Joe Blow a thank you message thanking him for ordering and letting him know that the order is being processed. Thanks so much for watching.